Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic Copilot in chat. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. So Copilot is available in the chat in Bitrix24. It is one of the most obvious place to find Copilot in Bitrix24 in our chat. You can go to the messenger option. After visiting the messenger, you will get option for the Copilot. So here you can use it to generate ideas, write text, and do all kind of AI magic. It is a unlimited source of idea. It is available 24 into 7. It's a compelling copy on demand. It's a ideal brainstorming partner. So you begin a highly sophisticated AI tool. Copilot is capable of coming up with brilliant original idea in a matter of seconds. Just open a new chat and enter a detailed prompt specifically what kind of idea you would like to get. So click on the plus icon and you can just directly ask a question like I have put a question to the Copilot, and the Copilot is now typing, and it provides the answer to me. So Copilot remembers the context of your conversation within a chat, which means you can ask it to expand upon a previous result, modify it, or add an unusual twist. You can keep going it until you are pleased with the result. So like that you can search multiple points you can. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts and question in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.